Yo, welcome back to another DIY handyman show. Today I'm gonna show you right here, right now, how to power your appliances that need electricity. You know, if your electricity, you have an appliance that needs electricity and you're like, oh shit, how do I make this work? Plug it into a wall to make it work. I'm gonna show you how to do that shit right now, right here. Like, subscribe. Wah! Let's go. Okay, first of all, you need to walk over to your electricity switchboard. Make sure that everything is in the upward fashion. Okay, my geyser is off. That's how you switch it on. That can remain off, doesn't matter. But look at the plugs. Your plug signs. Make sure they're upwards. Cool. Then you go over to, let's say, your appliance that you want to power. So, in this case, let's say you have a kettle. And the kettle isn't working. Kettle has this thing. Any appliance you have should have this, a plug. This plug goes into a wall socket to give your appliance electricity. Easy. So what you want to do is you want to go over right here to your DB, to your electricity socket where you're going to plug it in. Make sure it is off. As you can see, this is off now. Shit. Anyway, as you can see, that's off. That's on, that's off. Take your plug, you plug it in. Pow, chicka, wow. Make sure you plug it on. That's pretty much it, bro. Then you take your appliance. And now it's working. Boom, son. Power, electricity to any appliance. Just like that. Like, subscribe, I taught you that shit. Just teaching you stuff that can help your day-to-day life just be a bit easier, man. Like, subscribe. Peace.